Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! Our yummy recipe for today is simple but tasty and good for any outing or picnic. This is grilled milkfish or inihawnabangus. The difference of this grilled fish to any inihaw, I sautéed first a stuffing like the shallots and tomatoes before putting as a stuffings to the bangus. Aside from the salt and pepper, I also spread Filipino Star Margarine, bikini man, to add more umami taste. And wrap with banana leaves to trap the moisture in the fish while it's cooking. Let's start by preparing the milkfish or bangus. Use unseasoned boneless bangus if you are using the frozen fish, but of course, it's better to use the fresh one but boneless milkfish. Then squeeze with calamansi or lemon juice to neutralize the fishiness and to improve the taste of the fish. This is an optional step. Generously season all over the milkfish with salt and pepper. I already cut into rings some of the semi-ripe tomatoes. Remove the stem area of the tomato, then cut like the rest of the tomatoes. Wash with clean water. Wash thoroughly the tomatoes and remove the seeds so that the fish will not easy to spoil, especially summertime. Season with salt the tomatoes and the shallots according to your taste. Heat the pan with oil, then sauté the shallots or any onions of your choice. When the onions is translucent, then add the tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes begin to soften and get a little wilty looking. Then set it aside. Let's make the dippings, the soy sauce, the calamansi or lemon juice, the garlic, the shallot, or any onions of your choice, siling labuyo or wild chili. Add also sugar to soften the taste, and salt and pepper based on your likings. Brush oil to the banana leaves, spread some sautéed tomatoes and onions before adding the milkfish. Before wrapping and adding the sautéed stuffings, spread all over the fish the Filipino Star Margarine or room temperature salted butter. After a generous spread of the margarine, then add the sautéed stuffings and wrap the fish with banana leaves and tie with a kitchen toy. I grilled the milkfish using our cast iron grill pan. However, it is best to grill this fish with the charcoal. Here's my tasty and moist grilled milkfish. Yummy! If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care and bye!